Hey guys, welcome back. Tonight we're gonna keep it kind of short and sweet. Back on the rat rod. Last video didn't do too terribly hot, but my thought now is, in order to get this rat rod back on the road in about 3 weeks, I need to work on it consistently. So we're gonna shoot on it for this month of October, and judging by how fast I'm going on it, probably not gonna meet the deadline, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Then after that, we'll kind of, alternate back to the Bronco. But I think for next few videos, we'll be on the rat rod strictly, kind of getting it together and hopefully on the road. It's a big if. But tonight, we're gonna keep it kind of simple. Let me turn around here and I'll kind of explain what I plan on doing. I'm not gonna keep you too long this evening, but we're going to take the whole rear suspension out. Probably going to drop it from up here. We got a bolt here and a bolt here on each side, and I'll let those arms fall down, and then we can take the U-joint out. There's only one bolt in that one. And this ain't turning. I think there's one bolt in this one too. Yeah. Take that out. Slip the rear end out from underneath it. That way we can come in here and get this all ground down across the top here, and hopefully get both sides to at least, let's say at least the chains kind of looking like this. I think we're going to kind of keep it like that. I kind of like that look. Just kind of, I guess, clear coat it with something, but it does flash rust pretty easy. So, got that to kind of worry about, but I do think pretty much up here is all welded up. So it's neat to take down some welds and make it look nicer. But that's all I plan on doing tonight. Like I said, getting there kind of late. Worked outside, and I got allergies really bad, so I took a Benadryl, and it put me down for about an hour and a half. So, kind of wasted my afternoon sleeping. But we'll drop this, grind this down, see what it looks like, and go from there. I'm gonna try to pop in more often than I did last video and kind of show you the progress. But it'll be interesting taking this rear end out. I think that's how I'm gonna have to do it. Well, I am noticing that the emergency brake cable is already hooked up. You can see here, going through here, so may not be able to get the wheels too far away from it. Second thought, I may take these loose here and there, lift that up with a cherry picker, and then swing the whole rear end over this way so I can work on that without any interruptions. I think that's what I'll do. I would like to reroute that line though that goes in between here to make it more like that, or that one might need to be rerouted itself. I don't know, let me know in the comments. Where'd you put this cable at? Anyways, enough talking. Let's get to work. Alright, we successfully removed the rear end. That was a booger get off, but we got it. And it barely fit under there. I had to move the drive shaft up here. Just wish I could disconnect that and move it further out, but should give us enough to work with here, and we can easily check under here now. There's some welds need to be ground down. But we're gonna get in here best we can and kind of knock down all this. Might put some welds in here, just kind of tie these two together a little bit more. Maybe some on this side, right through there. But I think these are welded in pretty good. I'll get what I can. I can't get in here very well, but I'll get as much as I can. Kind of take care of them. We already got their daughter's nest. Anyways, we're gonna kind of polish this side down, get rid of these welds, do it on this other side, and try to get in between, make it resemble this. So I'm thinking about just putting a coat of clear on it and rolling with it like that, if we can get everything looking nice. But we're gonna get busy. It's only got a few more minutes out here, and I have to put all that back under here and get it back to how it was, because I just gotta put her car in here, and I just need to get this area done this evening. So let's get to work. All right. Got her about as far as I can get her tonight. You can tell it's dusty in here, but I don't think it looks that bad. I'm still on the fence about painting. I just have to see how it kind of turns out once I get closer, but it don't look bad. It's just, unless I get the metal down to shiny and the welds even, and you know, you can't see the transition, then I may end up painting it. But yeah, it's about 8 o'clock. I've been out here for about an hour, so I need to put the kiddos to bed. But let me turn you around here and kind of show you what we got done tonight. We got almost, I mean, it's flat through here, all the way up here. All these welds are knocked down. Put a little bit more weld in this one. Or I could use another bit right there in the middle. You see, but got the outsides and tops most done. Need to do the insides here. I try to get this, but it's just too close in here. See, this is what I'm talking about. I don't want the frame to look like that, all kind of marred. It's flat, but you can kind of still see the sandy marks in it. So that's one of the main reasons I was thinking about painting everything. But anyways, got that down to there. Other side, that's what we did last week. Still pretty proud of that. This side we didn't get too much time on tonight. You can kind of tell it can use a good going over as well. And I try to get inside here a little bit, kind of over there. But we gotta swing this back under here, bolt it up. It's gonna leave the drive shaft hanging because I'm gonna do this again. So just get on there to get out of the way. Wish I could leave it like this, but wife needs to park her car in here. So but yeah, that's what we got tonight. Not much, but I think we're on the right track. And let me know in the comments if you would paint it or kind of clear coat what I got here. Flies buzzing me. Another reason I'm thinking about painting it too is because up here it gets a little busy with stuff, and I figure it's not going to look great if I try to just do the steel look back there. So this is a color I was thinking about painting it, kind of that olive green, or I'm not sure what you call it, but that color basically on the frame. And thinking about painting if I do that, I was thinking about painting these like matte black, and maybe that anyways, painting that flat black too, and those leaf springs and all this matte black, and painting those matte black as well, and probably even the drive shaft. Let me know your thoughts on all that. Like I say, I look at all the comments and I try to respond. I really like to know y'all's thoughts on paint it or not. I'm really leaning toward to paint it now. Yeah, I gotta get this taken down and move back and get inside. Thank y'all if you made it this far. It does mean a lot. If you made it this far, please put in the comments Dusty. Let me know you made it to the end. I really appreciate it. It does help channel out a lot, and kind of helps get the video out there so more people can see it. Like I said, I'd like y'all's input on the frame. Should we paint it or not? I like the bare metal look, but I also think it'll look pretty neat painted that green color, but I don't know. Let me know y'all's thoughts in the comments below, and thank y'all for your support and sticking around and hanging in there with me. We're, I think, 863 this week, so we're getting to that 1,000 mark pretty quick, and it's getting pretty exciting. At the 1,000, I might do another giveaway. I'm talking with Super Clean, so we might have some of their product to give away, as well as some stickers and I don't know, something else I may throw in. I have to look around, see if I got anything that's nice enough for a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. But anyways, we'll see. But thanks again. Now, I don't know if I'll see you next week. I'm gonna try to come in tomorrow evening, do a little bit more. So like I've been saying, hopefully these videos are gonna come more regular over the rat rod, because we got till the end of October to get it done. And if we don't get it done then this can turn into a winter project, because that's like the last big car show of the year, that Roberts Cave car show in Wilburton, Oklahoma. And if I can't make it to that, then the car show is pretty much done for the year. So hopefully we can get there, but be honest with you, right now it's looking pretty much like we're gonna be getting this together over the winter, which is fine. But just give us something to look forward to next spring and summer. Anyways, thank you again, and I'll hopefully see you tomorrow, a couple days, but hopefully not next week. See ya.